Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, well, one of the things that Albacore, the Twitter user, has found that, once again, intrusion of Windows ads of all kinds everywhere. Microsoft is apparently obsessed with ads right now. So, of course, we had recommendations. We had all sorts of things that you can turn off in Windows that gives you, app ideas and so on. Now, apparently, in the sign out menu, when you go to get out of your account or things like that, there's a recommendation that popped up on some users that are testing with Windows 11 22H2, and it seems that they see a OneDrive recommendation for backup. I just want to say one thing to Microsoft here, is that the nonsense of ads needs to stop now. We don't need that, and Windows is an operating system, not an ad system. This is crazy. There is enough ads and different options that you can get it, which are fine. For example, Microsoft Store. I have no problem with a recommendation of an app, a game, or whatever in the Microsoft Store. It's made for that. It's made to also have you kind of, see what's new in the apps that maybe some are actually doing. That I'm okay with. But within the confines of Windows, my rant here is to stop the nonsense of adding ads to different parts of Windows. I'm really tired that Microsoft is going that way. Already people are annoyed at all sorts of things with Windows 11. Okay, and it's obvious. I see it here on the channel. It's obvious that there's quite a lot of people annoyed at all sorts of little things in Windows 11. Already it's complicated. Why do you want to crap it out with ads, which is unacceptable, especially if you bought a PC, you bought Windows, it wasn't free. I get this all the time, people saying, well, it's free. So, of course there's going to be ads. It's not free. Stop thinking it's free. Windows is not free. Never has been. The free option to upgrade, only a small portion of users do that. The enthusiasts in general. The majority of people buy a PC, and when you buy a PC, you pay the license. How the heck do you think Microsoft makes billions of dollars in Windows? Not because it's free, because it's a paid service. Windows is paid for when you buy a computer. You pay the license, and it's in the price of the PC you purchased. And Enterprise pay for it also. There's nothing free in Windows. Stop thinking that. So that's the major reason also why don't put ads in here. Already people pay the license, don't crap it out. And stop doing these nonsense of advertising. They're talking of advertising in the start menu, advertising and a file explorer. It's like, what the hell? Who is the dumbass between these decisions? I mean, come on, okay? Stop doing that. This is my rant of the day for Windows. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.